afterlife.
Women are a lot like bacon because they smell amazing, they taste fantastic, and they will kill you slowly.
Yesterday, scientists in the United States revealed that beer contains small traces of female hormones. To prove their theory, they fed 100 men 12 pints of beer and observed that 100% of them started talking nonsense and couldn't drive.
If you are having a bad day, then don't feel disappointed. It could always be worse. Imagine running into a wall with a boner and breaking your nose first.
Why do husbands usually die before their wives? Because they want to.